Okay, we're going to create a first exhibit. Go ahead and click Add. We're also going to define our title. I'm also going to add a slug, a unique slug. Your slug is what appears on your URL. If you don't change the slug, it'll be the same title as the title that you've entered for your exhibit. But we want to go ahead and define it as Jose Martin because this is the individual we will be talking about during this exhibit. You also want to go ahead and describe your exhibit. You want to give a little summary, a little context into what your exhibit is all about. Okay, and once we defined our description, we also want to go ahead and add text. I've added my group's name in order to define who is working on this exhibit. Also added the author and as well as the name of the project that we are working on, Mapi Mestizaje. Once I have defined my tabs, I'm going to go ahead and also add an image in order to define my exhibit a little more. I'm going to add items that I already have uploaded onto Omeka from my collections. Now we'll go ahead and start adding pages. So go ahead and select Add Page. You'll start with creating a title for the page. I've decided to name mine Introduction, as well as my menu link since this is the first page you will see on my exhibit. I'm also going to define the page slug and give it a custom URL. I can choose from the various content blocks, File with Text, Gallery and Text, and File in order to create my page layout. You can go ahead and create text. I'm going to write a little bit about the individual that I am writing on that is about this exhibit. You can also go ahead and edit your text using the different file formats, like making it bold. Now that I've added a little bit of an introduction onto my page, I'm also going to add another item. Going ahead and select the content block. I'm going to add another image from the items that I've collected. I'm also going to write a little deep description or a caption for my item. Okay, once I've added the caption, I also want to save my changes. Let it refresh. And now I have the ability to see it on the public site. On the public site, this is what the public views, and this is how the layout currently looks like. And your content blocks look. Okay, let's say I want to go ahead and get rid of one of the content blocks. I want to get rid of that image. Go ahead and select the X. Make sure that we save our changes. And refresh. And on the public site, you'll see that that image is no longer there. You can add as many content blocks as you want to a page. However, keep in mind that less is more. You can also save your changes again. And once you save your changes, let's create a new page. And here's where we're going to concentrate on adding our geolocation project. Once again, I'm going to define the page title. Next, I'm also going to define the media link title. I'm going to go ahead and define this one as Versos Sencillos since this is the book that I'm mapping. I'm also going to add a unique slug. In order to embed the item, I have to select text, create a new content block, and select source code, and embed with the code that was provided to me by Google Maps. You'll see the Google Maps uploaded. We'll go ahead and save our changes. And just to make sure, we'll go ahead and view it on the public page. Make sure that it's working. You can add as many pages as you like to Omeka and rearrange them as well. Thank you, and I hope this was really informative. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you.